Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Day 12 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And our prompts today is torn edges. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm going to turn up the music and I'm going to speed it up because there's a lot to watch of Junk Journal January. So that's why I've been kind of doing this format for this since there's one every day. So I'll see you at the end, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, here we are, number 12, torn edges. And I just torn a lot of things all around and put my focal point in and added in some of my washi stickers. And I really love how it turned out. I hope you did as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Meg's channel as well as Get Messy Art, and check out the hashtags Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.